Namaste dosto, I am Shivam Sharma, professional yoga teacher, and in this video I will teach you how to do Paschimottanasana if your hamstring muscles are tight. So basically friend, I will focus on the techniques, some 4 techniques I will provide you through this video. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can easily get the latest update of Jeevan Yoga Studio. If you guys are interested to learn online yoga classes of Jeevan Yoga Studio, you can register for that. I provided all the details on the screen. If you not follow on Instagram Jeevan Yoga Studio, you can follow it through the link I provided in the description box. Let's begin this video. Friends, if you don't know the reason why you are unable to do Paschimottanasana or forward seated pose, basically you have never focused on your hamstring muscles flexibility and your spine flexibility, and that's why you are unable to do your Paschimottanasana. But today I will share some important technique regarding your hamstring muscle flexibility and your spine flexibility. Friend, if you don't know what is hamstring muscles, so let me tell you. You can see here a photo of hamstring muscles. Your both legs from back side you can see. So there are 3 muscles of hamstring muscle. First one is bicep femoral muscle, and second one is semitendinous muscle, and third one is semimembranous muscle. So these 3 muscles are very tight, and that's why you are unable to do Paschimottanasana forward seated pose. But today I will tell you some techniques which is very effective to open and increase the flexibility of these 3 muscles. So let's begin with first you have to see the posture of Paschimottanasana. After that we will do the techniques to open your hamstring muscle flexibility and also the spine flexibility. Friends, whenever you go for the Paschimottanasana, you didn't know what is the actual right and perfect posture of Paschimottanasana. So today I will tell you what is the right way and what is the right steps to perform Paschimottanasana, and also what problem you will face while doing Paschimottanasana if you are beginner. So let me tell you first the steps. What is the steps to perform Paschimottanasana? You have to straight your both knee and straight your both leg like that, and you can touch your feet together and place your both palm on the mat at the sideboard and spine erect. Inhale and chest up. Lift your both arm upward and take long and deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Just forward bend, chest forward, and trying to bend your body forward. And hold the mid toe. You can hold all the fingers of the toe, and after that, just take your elbow front side and place it on the mat. And try to push and pull your body upper spine and touch your head. And slowly inhale and raise up. Now you clear your perfect posture and also the steps how to perform Paschimottanasana. Now what problem a beginner can face, let me tell you. Whenever a beginner going downward, their knee is start lifting upward, right? So this problem comes when your hamstring muscles are tight. But today I will tell lot of technique to reduce this problem because of hamstring muscles flexibility techniques which usually very effective. As you can see here on my screen, you can see my lot of students are get benefit after practicing the techniques of hamstring muscle opening and spine flexibility. But only the hamstring muscle flexibility if you increase, but the spine always make a round. Lots of people having the same problem once they go for the forward bending posture Paschimottanasana, and there will be the round in the hump. So this round, how it can be cured? So today I will also tell you the spine erecting technique, which is very important for every beginner who want to erect their spine. Due to the curve, they will not come in a perfect and also good posture. So let's begin with the techniques Paschimottanasana, hamstring muscles flexibility and spine erecting. So let's see how to perform step by step. So friends, what you have to do, just place your one leg the edge of the chair and he is downward, and after that just fix this leg which is your bottom leg, and after that is the toe direction will be in front of your camera, and take long deep breath. Inhale and exhale forward bend. Hold the corner part 1 and 2, then spine erect, take long breath, inhale, then exhale down, inhale up. Now you have to pump your body, take it forward and upward. You have to do this, and while performing this technique, you need to straight your knee. If you bend it, you didn't get stretch on your hamstring muscle. Basically, this technique helps increase the flexibility of your bicep femoral muscle and semitendinous muscle. So how to do this? You have to do like this. And after that you need to change the leg to stretch other leg hamstring muscles, and you have to do this. So this way you have to stretch your hamstring muscle. This is number one technique to open your hamstring muscles flexibility. Number second technique to increase your hamstring muscle flexibility, that is you need a chair. So now you have to follow the steps to perform this technique. Let's see the steps. You have to bend your knee, 1 and 2. Then after that just lift your one leg up and place your heel on the chair as at the depth of the chair. And after that take long deep breath, inhale. Then exhale, forward bend and hold the side part of the chair. Take your both arms from inside and hold the side part of the chair and touch your elbow if you can. And long deep breath, inhale and just push your body and pull your body forward and hold it here for 30 counts. You have to hold it here for to stretching your hamstring muscles, your bicep femoral muscle, semi-tendinous muscle and submembranous muscle. You will get stretch on these three muscles. And after that just change your leg after 30 counts and try the same step. You have to follow in same manner. Just place your one heel on the chair at the end of the chair edge, and after that take long deep breath, inhale, lift your both arm up and exhale, forward and just hold the side part of the chair 1 and 2. Place your both elbow on the side and then exhale, forward bend and just touch your hand on the left and then hold it here for 30 counts and hold it here. Just stretch. It will get stretch all the hamstring muscles, three muscles basically. Hamstring muscles basically it is bicep muscle, semi-tendinous muscle and submembranous muscle. Friends, very effective technique. Now I am going to show you of hamstring muscles. It is very effective because it impacts a lot to open your hamstring muscles. Flexibility is also getting more from this technique. Friend, you need to sit on your knees and after that you need a chair like this. Then what you do, you need to place your one heel on the edge of the chair and take long deep breath, inhale and then go forward bend and hold your both legs of the chair, right and left, both hands will be coming in the same manner. And after that you need to take long deep breath, inhale and exhale down, inhale up. You have to do this and you will get stretch on your semi-membranous muscle of your hamstring muscle. Also keep in your mind your toe direction will be on the ceiling side and knee will be straight, and then again you have to walk. And after that you need to change your side and try it in the Now friend, we have to focus on the problem which comes when you do Paschimottanasana and your spine making a curve. So how to reduce this curve and how to erect your spine, let's see with two techniques of spine erecting which I am going to show you. And before that, if you forget to subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and ring the bell icon so that you can easily get the latest update, and also follow Jeevan Yoga Studio on Instagram. So let's start the techniques to erect your spine. So you need a chair, and also when you try with the chair, you need to fix chair with the wall, and after that just place your one leg and second leg on the chair and just sit on the chair, and after that take long deep breath, inhale and hold the side part. Take your both arms from inside. If your handles are not there, you can hold it from outside. If your handles are there, you can hold it from inside. And after that, hold it very tightly, 1 and 2. Then take your long deep breath, inhale. And abdomen and chest rest you need to touch on your quadriceps muscle. Take long deep inhale again. Exhale, just touch your forehead on the knee. Then exhale. With the exhalation, just knee straight and exhale, forward bend and hold it here. Bending the elbow. Don't need to bend your knee, it will be erect, and then straight your spine and pull your body downward and hold it here for 30 counts. At the beginning, your body will be here. After practicing more days, your spine getting erecting, and after that you can touch your hand. And before practicing this, you need to open your hamstring muscles with the techniques which I have shown in this video. And then relax. Friend, you need to sit like this, and after that just take your one leg upward and second ward. Just place your both foot on the wall, and after that just take your one palm backward, second palm backward. Take long deep breath, inhale. Then by bending the knee, just lift your buttock up and put it forward, right? And then straight your one leg and second leg, and after that just take long deep breath, inhale. and just take it one hand backward, second one closer to the spine, and just try to straight erect your spine. Just touch your forehead on the wall. Just place your chest, abdomen, and also lifting your chest upward, and place your forehead also on the legs. And keep holding here for 20 times and to 30 times. If you are a beginner, if you are unable to touch the head, you can do only lifting your upper body and just hold it here. Okay, if you are unable to touch your head, you can hold it here until and unless you will get the strength and also the flexibility, you are able to touch your legs like me. Friends, after practicing all these techniques, you will get the result like my student. So you can see here a photo of my student after 30 minutes and before 30 minutes, how much he changed in his posture. So you can see with this technique. So you can also get the same result. If you don't get any result, you can contact me for that. As many of my students are getting the benefits of these techniques and more of the techniques are there. So if you wanted to join my regular classes, you can learn a lot. And if you are beginner, so it will be perfect for you, because I'm teaching in body opening first, and after that you are able to do postures. So friend, if you wanted to contact me for that, and if you forget to subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon so that you can easily get this type of informative video of Jeevan Yoga Studio. And also follow me on Instagram and keep updating ourselves by learning these techniques. And also if you have any question, you can comment me. So guys, see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.